Hello friends, let us begin a new chapter, that is chapter 10, Profit and Loss. In this video we will be solving exercise 10a question 1 to 3. First question is, Amit bought a calculator for rupees 960 and sold it for rupees 1104. Find his gain and gain percent. Let's first write what we have and what we have to find out. CP or cost price is 960, selling price SP equals to 1104, gain we have to find, gain percent we have to find. When selling price is more than cost price, there will be gain or profit, and to find gain or profit, formula is gain is equals to SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. So we will substitute the values. We have 1104 minus 960, which comes to rupees 144. So gain equals to 144. Now we have to find gain percent. And formula to find gain percent is gain percent equals to gain upon CP into 100. We have gain, we have CP. Let us substitute these values in this formula. We have 144 by 960 into 100. Now this cancellation part is very important. Let us cancel 10 from 100 and 960. I am going to use 12's table to cancel 144 and 96. If you are not able to do so, you can begin with lower tables also, like 2's table. But in that case, steps will be more. If you use higher table, there will be less steps. So I'll use 12's table here. 12 12s are 144 and 12 8s are 96. Have 12 and 10 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. So we have 120 by 8 and 120 divided by 8 is 15. So gain percent is 15%. Our second question is, Ankita bought a mobile phone for rupees 2350 and sold it for rupees 2538. Find her gain and gain percent. Well, Amit and Ankita seem to be smart people, making profits on whatever they buy. This sum is similar to the first one, only thing it's a mobile phone, numbers are different. We have to find the same thing, gain and gain percent. Let us first write down what we have. Cost price CP is equals to 2350, selling price 2538, gain we have to find, gain percent we have to find. First step will be to find gain by using formula selling price minus cost price, that is 2538 minus 2350, which on subtraction gives us rupees 188. So gain is 188. Now let us find gain percent using formula gain upon CP into 100. Gain we have calculated just now, it is rupees 188. CP is given 2350. Substitute these in gain percent formula. We have 188 by 2350 into 100. Now cancellation is not as easy as the first sum. So in this case what we should do is find prime factors of both the numbers, that is 188 and 2350. So let us find prime factors of 188. 188 is even number, it will be divisible by 2. So we get 94. 94 is again even number, we will divide it by 2. We get 47, and 47 can be divided by 47 only because it is prime number. Let us find factors of 2350. Even number divided by 2, we get 1175. We will divide this by 5. We get 235. Again divided by 5, we get 47, and 47 ones are 47. Let us rewrite 188 and 2350 in terms of factors. We have 2 into 2 into 47 upon 2 into 5 into 5 into 47 into 100. Now we can easily cancel numbers 2 and 47 from numerator and denominator. We are left with 2 into 100 in numerator and 5 into 5 in denominator. That is 200 upon 25, which on cancellation will give us 8. So gain percent is 8%. Let's see what we have in third question. Ayush bought a bicycle for rupees 6250 and had to Sell it for rupees 5,875. Find his loss and loss percent. Let's first write down what we have and what we have to find out. CP is 6250, selling price is 5875, loss we have to find, loss percent we have to find. In this case, cost price is more than selling price. That means definitely he made a loss, and formula for loss is CP minus SP. Let us first calculate loss. Loss is equals to 6250 minus 5875, and this comes to 375. Next we have to find loss percent, and formula to calculate loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. One thing you have to keep it in mind, that both formulas, gain percent formula and loss percent formula, both have CP in denominator, cost price in the denominator. Now we have loss 375, we have cost price 6250. Let us substitute these values and calculate loss percent. Now this calculation can be done in different ways. One is the one which we did in earlier sum, second sum, by prime factorization, finding factors and cancelling them, and carry out the remaining calculation. And second one is direct cancellation using any common table. Third method will be to divide 37500 by 6250. I'll show you first two methods. Let us first write factors of 375 and 6250. Factors of 375. 375 is divisible by 5, which gives us 75, which is again divisible by 5, which gives us 15. Again divisible by 5, we get 3, and 3 ones are 3. We can cancel 1 0 from 6250 with 100. So we will find factors of 625. 625 is divisible by 5, we get 125. Again divisible by 5, we get 25. Divide by 5, we get 5, and 5 ones are 5. We will replace numbers by respective factors. 3 5s from numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So we are left with 3 into 10 upon 5, that is 30 upon 5, which on cancellation gives us 6. So loss percent is 6%. Now let us do the same calculation using direct calculation. Watch it carefully if you don't know this method. We can cancel 1 0 from 100 and 6250. So we are left with 375 and 625. Now common table for both of them will be 5. We will first cancel 375. We'll use 5's table for 37. 5 7s are 35. Number here is 37. So 2 will be carried to the next number, and that will become 25. And we will use 5 5s are 25. We will use same table, that is 5's table, for cancelling 625. 6 we will use 5 1s are 5. 1 will be carried to 2, it will become 12, and we will use 2 5s are 10. Again it is 2 more, that 2 will be carried to 5, that will become 25, and we will use 5 5s are 25. In denominator we have 125 and numerator is 75. Divisible by 5, so we will use 5's table. For 75 we will use 5 1s are 5 for 7, and 2 more is carried to next number, which becomes 25, and we will use 5 5s are 25. We have 15 in the numerator. Now let us come to denominator. For 12 we will use 2 5s are 10. 2 will be carried to next number, it becomes 25, and we will use 5 5s are 25. We have 25 in denominator. Now 15 and 25 can again be cancelled using 5's table. 3s are and 5s are. Now in numerator we have 3 into 10 30 upon denominator is 5. So 6 5s are 30, we will cancel it and we get the answer 6. So loss percent is 6%.